I wanted to cover the topic of investing and how each book was helpful to me. These are the top 5 books that are often recommended by many prominent investors. Each book offers a different angle on trading, depending on real-life experiences of traders, long-term investing, and investment psychology. Your choice depends on which stage you are at and whether you're looking for more focused strategies on short-term trading or long-term investing. By moving along the titles of the books, I'll just give a brief description, the reasons to read, and the reasons not to read. The first book is A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton Malkiel. A Random Walk Down Wall Street introduces the concept of EMH, or Efficient Market Hypothesis. So what this focuses on is that stock prices move on a random basis and cannot be consistently predicted. The key here is on a long-term basis over years. So according to this book, the best approach for most people would be low-cost index investing, because in short, EMH says that you just can't beat the market. The book explains complex topics like behavioral finance, fundamental analysis, and technical analysis in a way that is easily understood. This book is positioned for beginner to intermediate investors who are seeking for a passive and long-term investment strategy. So it goes against the belief that active trading should be a part of your strategy. It challenges the belief that active trading can be successful in the long term over years. So the reason to read is to really understand why is it really hard to beat the market, and this book provides a lot of data-backed analysis. So reasons not to read: if you are an active trader looking for technical analysis and an edge over the market, this is not the book. So this book is also not going to appeal to people who are confident about their trading abilities. Second book is Market Wizards by Jack Schwager. Market Wizards is a very special book where Jack interviews the most successful traders in the world, covering various markets such as futures, options, stocks, and currencies. Each trader reveals their philosophy on how they look at markets, their psychology that helps them to drive to success. So this book's positioning is really aimed at intermediate to advanced traders who are looking for inspiration and the next level. It focuses on mindset and personal experience of each investor who has mastered the craft. So reasons to read would be that this book offers a vast and probably conflicting ideas at times, which is great for understanding how different the market can be. Reasons to read would be that this book offers deep insight into the habits, discipline, and mindset that's required for investors to be at the top of their game. The diversity of traders' stories will provide you valuable insight regardless of which market you actually trade. Reasons not to read this book would be that it's not a step-by-step guiding system to approach trading. If you're looking for explicit how-to instructions, this book will be lacking in practical application. Another classic is The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham. It's known as the Bible for value investing, and it introduces concepts like Mr. Market and margin of safety. Graham's advice would be looking for undervalued companies and holding them for long periods. So this book focuses a lot on defensive investing, looking for businesses with moats around them. So this book is positioned for investors who are looking for long-term holds and long-term investment horizons. It really helped me to understand value investing and being a patient investor. So this book is going to appeal to you if you are a patient investor looking for value investing and also being risk adverse. Reasons to read would be that this book focuses on time-tested principles and has been recommended by many investors, including Warren Buffett. Another reason to read is that if you're looking for a conservative and disciplined method to approach investing, this would help you. The book helped me a lot in understanding how emotional traps can lead us to losses. So reasons not to read would be if you are an active trader looking for something that's fast market movements, this book would not be suitable. Another reason not to read would be if you are a beginner and would be overwhelmed by technical jargon like accounting and balance sheet, this book would be not for you. Another market favorite would be Reminiscences of a Stock Operator, written by Edwin Lefebvre. So this book is a semi-autobiographical account of a legendary trader, Jesse Livermore. What I really like is that it's written in a narrative style that focuses on timeless lessons of how a trader has an emotional high and low. It's a great book that highlights the dangers and also the highs of speculation. So this book is positioned for intermediate to advanced traders who want to learn from a historical figure about stock speculation. So reasons to read is that it's a very engaging book that's written like a novel while providing insightful lessons on market timing, risk-taking, and emotional control. Although it's an older book, it really feels very applicable to the modern day speculation because it is timeless on market behavior and how humans interact in the market. So reasons not to read is that it's not a how-to book, it's not a technical guide either. Another reason not to read would be that this book is written in old-fashioned language and may not be suitable for those who are looking for modern, direct advice. Since it is also written in a narrative style, it may not appeal to certain people. The fifth book is a more modern book called Flash Boys, written by Michael Lewis. This book explores the concept of HFT, or high frequency trading, and how it has reshaped the financial markets. Michael Lewis uncovers how HFT firms use speed and technology to gain an advantage over traditional investors in the financial markets. The book follows a group of traders and technologists who are exposing the story of how technology can be used to be exploited and how the playing field is not as fair as it seemed. The book is perfect for intermediate and advanced readers who are looking for understanding the complexities of the modern financial market, especially the role of technology and algorithms in the financial markets. So it's an eye-opener on how Wall Street really works behind the scenes. A reason to read would be that this book offers a compelling narrative into the hidden mechanisms of Wall Street. It gives you insight into modern day financial markets and its inner workings. Michael Lewis does a great job at making complex financial terms easily understood. So reasons not to read would be that this book is not meant to be a practical guide, so it won't really improve your own trading methods. It's also about how financial systems work and the ethics surrounding it. So it may not appeal to those who are looking for immediate market tips and direct actionable trading strategies. Flash Boys has added a new perspective on market fairness and how technology has interfaced and influenced the financial markets. As mentioned earlier in the beginning, each book has a different angle and a unique story on market psychology, risk aversion, and market timing. Your choice really depends on what you're looking for and which stage you are at. So this is a summary of all the books that I've just mentioned. Your personal choice would really depend on what you're looking for and which stage are you at and whether you're focusing on long-term or short-term strategies. Please comment below if you have any questions and please like the video.